2008 Chrysler 300C HEMI, 5.7 liter. Got factory converters there and there. Got factory X-pipe right there. Then we put some baby DYNOMAX race bullets. Part number 24249 there and there. Then we did 2 1/4 all the way back into some massive 5-inch tips. Roll right there and right there. As you guys can see, it came out. It's true dual with an X-pipe. Looks really fantastic with DYNOMAX race bullet. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. That's the suitcase muffler we took off, and he took off the resonators earlier by himself. So. 2007 Chrysler 300S, 5.7 liter HEMI. What is it, Tom? HEMI, babe. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys, got factory converters there and there. Then factory X-pipe. Then he brought his own CARVEN TRs he had on his truck. And he's like, oh, I want to put them on this 300, see how it sounds. And we're like, we can do it for you. So they're right there, as you guys can see. Then we continued his 2 1/4 pipe out the back. We deleted the resonators there and there. There's the 2 resonators. There's the mid muffler that was on it. And put some 4.5-inch tips on it, double walled stainless steel. There and there. There'll be a link for everything in the description for you guys. As you guys can see, it looks so much better than the old little 2.5 or 3-inch tips that they put on them. They always need to come with 4-inch tips like that. It looks so much cleaner, so much nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Go to the OBD2. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Let you guys hear on the inside. Again, there's sound decibels. Again, right at 101. Go ahead and back it up. As you guys can see at idle, you can barely hear it. CARVEN TRs. Rear delete. 4.5-inch tips. And correction, guys, it's a Chrysler 300C, not the S. 300C with the HEMI 5.7. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Got a little crowd going today too. Chrysler 300C, 5.7 liter HEMI, CARVEN TRs. He's setting up, guys. Let's see what you